So, my dear students, as it is Saturday today, and again we are in a speaking session, and today very common session I am going to give you. You know very well that there is so much pressure on our children, pressure from parents, from schools, from teachers, from relatives. So, what do you think about it? Should there be so much pressure on children? And this is the pressure to fulfill the ex- expectations of others बोले तो schools, teachers, relatives, parents. So I think when they pressurize a child, actually I don't think that pressure is a good thing. So, and when it is on a child, according to me, this is the worst condition of our society, because it has been seen that many children under the pressure of different situations commit suicide. They depend on drugs. Sometimes they leave their houses, their homes. So, what do you think about it? This is today's topic, and I think you all are ready for it. So, please
सर
start giving your names. Yes.
सर इसका फिर सर कोई मेन सर टाइटल जो भी था सर वो क्या लेंगे?
Same ये title आ जाएगा. Should there be pressure on children?
ओके सर.
Yes. So, I think you know very well about it. So, please start giving your names. Very good. And I have got the first name of Rakshit. So, I invite Rakshit. Then Harsh. Very good. So, yes, come on, Rakshit. Express your
सर
views.
अटेंडेंस नहीं लोगे?
ले लूंगा मैं, तुम तो चालू करो.
ओके सर. सर चालू करो.
हम्म. करो
यस
बेटा
सर.
अच्छे से.
हेलो. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is, should pressure on students or children is good or bad? So, in my view, it is not good, and in my view, I am giving many some logics for it, as we know that there are many ambitions and expectations of parents and students on their children, and student children also have many expectations and ambitions on himself or herself also, and they try the students and children try very much to fulfill them, but sometimes it does not happen, they gets failed,
हम्म.
and by this there by this and sometimes but to fulfill the ambition there is a lot of pressure and stress on the children or students from the side of their parents and schools, and on and by anything, and when they get failed, so many students gets a lot of frustration and stress, gets into many tremendous frustration,
हम्म.
and many times many of them come are caught by drug addiction, and
शाबाश.
also many tries to commit suicide and leave their homes, etc.
हम्म.
So so we see that pressure on children and students from anywhere is not good if they are if they are left naturally to work and fulfill their ambition. So fulfill their ambition, they will try to complete, they will try to get the ambition, and
हम्म.
if they get failed, there is not so there is not so pressure on them, and they can try again, and do not and we and they and that these problems are prevented. And our and this is and these problems are very common between among the students and the youth. And there are many cases of these problems seen at present time.
Very good, huh?
And there is and
Hmm.
there is a web series also
Hmm.
is also made on it, that is the Kota Factory,
Hmm.
which is based on this situation
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
of
बढ़िया,
the
हाँ.
student.
Hmm.
And so the love and care that is given to the children from the starting should not be changed into force and pressure on the student. It should be, it always should be the care and pressure. And if there is any problem in the child's life, the family should support him or her. And the child should also try to fight the situation,
Hmm.
not to run away from the situation.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
And that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. एग्जाम्पल्स बहुत अच्छे दिए तुमने. बहुत अच्छे से उसको इलस्ट्रेट किया. शाबाश, keep it up. And now Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad and my topic is giving pressure to students is good or not. To my view, giving pressure to students is not good because mainly parents give a pressure to their students to fulfill their own expectations from their child.
Hmm.
And many children have a lot of ambitions that they want to fulfill, and to do that they and their parents force
Hmm.
they force them a lot, and that pressure is not uh, handled by the students. So they so they are caught in addict of uh, many wrong activities like taking drugs, suicide, smoking, drinking, etc.
Hmm.
To forget the pressure of their parents.
Hmm.
And on this there is a on this there is a movie known as Kota Factory, in which this which is based on only forcing the students and how the students commit suicide.
Hmm.
uh, the things that are needed by students is the love and support of their parents,
शाबाश.
not they are forced by their parents.
Hmm.
uh, and as we know that nowadays a thing known as drugs is becoming very popular in the age of 15 to 20, because this is the time of students to study, and they get a lot of uh, pressure from their families
Hmm.
to fulfill their requirements and save their image in the society.
Hmm.
And the students are not able to take over the pressure and take the opportunities of their parents,
Hmm.
because their mind can because a human mind can do only one thing at a time.
Hmm.
Either it can study or concentrate on what he and she is doing, or
Hmm.
or can handle the force and pressure of the pressure.
Hmm.
So to avoid that pressure, many students commit suicide.
Hmm.
So in my view, uh, pressure handed over to students by parent is not good, and take parents should say about their expectation to student, but not सर उनको दिमाग में भरना क्या बोलेंगे.
But they should not stuff it in their mind.
And but they should not stuff it in their mind so that they cannot concentrate on their study. That's it, sir.
Hmm. ठीक है. Okay. Yes, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is should there be pressure on the students? And all the parents have ambitions and expectations from their child, and a child also have dreams to do many things from the beginning of his life, like anyone wants to be an IAS and anything else. So to fulfill that thing, parents and students are also have many expectations, and sometimes there is too much pressure of parents, and sometimes of the school or colleges, which may lead to the addiction of drugs, and may also lead to leaving home or commit suicide. So there may be many types of things which may happen in this time. So there are so as there are many examples of it, and a realistic film is made upon it, which is also known as Kota Factory, which shows that how pressure can affect a student in his life to commit a suicide, or uh, to addict to be addict of the drugs,
To
and
be addicted. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
to be addicted. Yes, sir. And to solve this, always the parents and the teachers should not make pressure on them, that they must say them that you can do anything that you want to do in your life, and they must motivate them to do study, not to commit such a type
Very
of
good.
things, whether they are in any types of situation. If they are not able to read the things, then there is no need to take any burden and nothing to be worried. There are many uh, there are many chances to be taken in a life. That's it, sir.
Very good यार, बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16, and today I am today our topic is giving pressure on students is good or not. As we know that parents give birth to child in this world, and without parents child can't take birth in this world. And parents are also important in his childhood, because without them he can't bring up, because in his childhood they are very important. If parents leave him alone, he can't bring up in the lacking of food,
Can't be brought up.
shelter.
वैसी voice
Yes,
बनेगा
sir.
ना
He
वो.
can't be
Brought up.
Yes, sir. He can't be brought up in the lacking of food, shelter, education. And and parents fulfill all needs and wishes of their children. But my friends, now it is wrong to say that the parental the way of parenting is good, because we can notice it by reading newspaper that in 17 days 6 students have committed to suicide. They commit it because they have pressure. And I tell you that why do they commit suicide? Because their parents treat them as a magician who can fulfill their all wishes. Their parents ask them to 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 get first rank in JE, NEET, and in toughest exams. And as we know that to get first rank is not easy. And and most of parents ask to their children to get first rank in these exams, whether they are capable or not. They don't care about it,
Hmm.
and sometime they expect from their children much, and it happens that most of children can't fulfill their expectation,
Hmm.
and they get frustrated and depressed,
शाबाश बेटा हाँ
and this lead them to drugs and smokings,
Hmm.
and it is very bad for their health,
Hmm.
and it has seen that many students also commit to suicide.
Hmm.
So according to me,
Hmm.
what should be done?
Hmm.
According to my mind, students should be allowed to develop in happy way,
Hmm.
and with parenting guidance, and without any pressure.
Hmm.
So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ योर थॉट्स शाबाश बेटा कीप इट अप कबीर
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from West P18. Today, my topic is: should we give pressure to a student?
Hmm.
As we know that we are human being and we birth in this earth by the help of parents.
वी बर्थ नहीं वी टेक बर्थ Hmm.
By the help of parents.
Hmm.
Uh, Parents give us birth by which we can survive in this earth.
ऑन दिस अर्थ इन दिस वर्ल्ड कह सकते हो
On
Hmm.
oh, on this earth.
Hmm.
So parents have some ambition and expectation for to their children
फ्रॉम देयर चिल्ड्रन हाँ
from their children,
Hmm.
like his or her children become a doctor, his or her children become an engineer, etc.
Hmm.
But sometimes children don't become children don't become a doctor and an engineer. So sometimes they become very upset
Hmm.
and depressed
Hmm.
and serve of
फ्रस्ट्रेट
frustration,
फ्रस्ट्रेटेड
frustrated,
फ्रस्ट्रेट हाँ
frustrated. So sometimes they starting drugs,
they take
smoking, except
they start taking drugs ठीक करो यार बेटा
they they start taking drugs, smoke, etc.
Hmm.
Because they do this because their parents give many pressure on their children.
Hmm.
So they do many bad things, which is by which sometimes they suicide
they commit suicide
and
थोड़ा बहुत ढंग से बोला करो वर्ब यूज किया करो they commit suicide हाँ
they, they commit suicide
Hmm.
and they become hopeless.
Hmm.
There are many movies based on these things.
Hmm. Hmm.
So in my view we should don't give pressure to a
अब should और
student.
don't एक साथ कैसे आएंगे we should not pressurize we should not put pressure बोलो बोलो आगे बोलो
We should not pressure on the student.
Hmm.
Yes, I did.
ओके ठीक है थोड़ा सा और ठीक करने की कोशिश करें बेटा है ना बाकी अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Okay, sir.
सेंटेंसेस भी और थोड़ा सुनो, ध्यान से सुना करो। यस नाउ रोहित।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Chandran. Today I'm going to tell you that whether the parents should give pressure on students or not. So, from my mind, I think that the parents should not give pressure to the students because the students want to study in their own way. And if parents will interfere in the pattern of the students, then they will get pressure by the parents because every parents want their children to achieve more. And sometimes parents are so nervous so nervous and overthink about the success of their children, and gives pressure to the student, and that is why the student does not able to focus on his ambition, and that is why he fails in pressure and sometimes goes into a great depression. So this lead to the unsuccess of the student. So from my mind, I think that the parents should not give a pressure. They should leave their child on his own, because a person who do not a person who do not have who do not have a person who does not have any pressure works with his full potential and make their family proud. That's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत शॉर्ट, बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन फ्लो बहुत जबरदस्त हो गया तुम्हारा। यस, कम ऑन आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B10. Today, our topic is how the parents should give load in the children and students. As you all know that we are human beings and we live in earth, and parents
इन
teach
अर्थ
us
नहीं, ऑन द अर्थ या इन दिस वर्ल्ड।
in this world, and parents teach us all things, and but sometimes parents see some dreams and say our children make doctor, engineer, and a news reporter, etc. But a children
ए चाइल्ड, ए
a
चिल्ड्रन,
children
चिल्ड्रन तो बहुवचन होता है। ए चाइल्ड,
a child decided I become a RJS, and I become a lawyer, and a policeman, etc. But parents don't listen children's
डोंट लिसन टू देयर
children
चिल्ड्रन। हाँ, छोटी
don't
छोटी सी
listen their
गलतियां करते
children.
हैं बेटा। हाँ,
Yes, sir. and 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 the children and are are angry, and they 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 drink drugs,
दे
and
ड्रिंक नहीं, दे टेक ड्रग्स।
they take drugs, and starting smoking, and suicide.
कमिट सुसाइड।
They commit suicide, and parents give so many stress, and school, when the children go to school, and teachers give uh, much load uh, children
ऑन चिल्ड्रन, टू चिल्ड्रन। हाँ बोलो,
to
छोटे छोटे ठीक
children,
करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
and the children are very sad in our life. They
इन देयर लाइफ, आवर
say
लाइफ कैसे हो जाएगा?
our their life, and say something like I I I am very my life is very boring, and my parents and my teachers give me so many stress, etc. And at last I want to say that don't imagine our life a अपनी लाइफ को एक खेल मत समझो कि ये इसे
गेम
कैसे
गेम
कहेंगे,
गेम
इज अ गेम। डोंट इमेजिन लाइफ इज a game, इसे दैट्स इट।
बहुत बढ़िया यार, वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा और ग्रामर पे फोकस करोगे तो ठीक हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना। छोटी छोटी सी गलतियां आ रही हैं अब, वो ठीक हो जाएंगी सब। बस अब थोड़ा सा कोशिश करते रहो, कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा आ गया अब तुम्हारे अंदर, वेरी गुड। यस लक्ष्मी गुजर।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is should pressure on children by parents. The parents is a most important role in the children's because the first teacher is parents
आर
and they
पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स प्लूरल
are
होता है, पेरेंट्स सिंगुलर होता है, हाँ।
are parents and they learn many things and they have great ambitions towards their children
फ्रॉम
and
देयर
they
चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम देयर चिल्ड्रन, कोई बात नहीं।
from their children
हाँ,
they expect their children to become a great person and they keep tremendous
ओके सुशील, यू मे
ambitions
लीव। हाँ बोलो, तुम बोलते रहो लक्ष्मी।
and tremendous ambitions from their children and some children's they
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रन ही प्लूरल
yes
होता है अपने आप में, हाँ।
yes sir.
हाँ,
Some sometime they come over in stress and stress frustration and depression and but some children can not become who want thus thus they are that bring and they do not think their parents and children should be allowed to develop own happiness and nature way and their behavior to others person and some children go to wrong way in adolescent and some children go good way and they some children
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं
started
बेटा, चिल्ड्रन।
yes sir, some children start taking drugs and in adolescent and we should also understand what is right and what is wrong our our future
फॉर आवर फ्यूचर।
for our future and some changes are conventional
कन्वेंशनल।
conventional and do we should do some work according our circumstances and we should searching way in problem and we should not take tension and we remain always happy and that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। यस वैष्णवी, कहाँ गई?
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today, again, we have a speaking session.
शाबाश।
So, our topic is should children
हैव,
should children have pressure by the parents?
हाँ ठीक है बेटा।
As you know that we are human beings and we have a lot of pressures like homework and lots of things and you lots of things and I see that some parents make pressure to their children and the parents say that you should take these subjects and the children become so depressed so that's why they commit the suicide and they take they go to the wrong side and they commit suicide they commit suicide,
Hmm. They start taking drugs.
they start taking drugs, smoking,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
And they take poison things,
Hmm. Poisonous things, हाँ बोलो बोलो घबराओ मत.
poisonous,
Hmm. Hmm.
and they become so, and they become mentally depressed.
Hmm.
Uh,
चलो होना क्या चाहिए वैसे? What
yes,
is
so
the
that's
solution?
it.
ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं है. वो जो सुनाया था ना मैंने बेटा उस दिन आप आए नहीं थे, तो ये मैंने आज ये बात भी नोट की है मैंने कि सुनाया था जिस दिन मैंने, तो ये सब सारे लोग उस सुने हुए को बोल रहे हैं, तो काफी अच्छा करा. लेकिन आप लोग आपको थोड़ा सा उस दिन थे नहीं, तो आपको थोड़ा सा व्यूज की कमी रह गई है आपके पास में. कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, है ना, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग. इज देयर एनीवन? आई थिंक all have taken their turns, but Khushi Berwa and Khushi Gujar, I think they are not comfortable. They are in the office. Rashmi, क्या हुआ रश्मि?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, बोलो बेटा.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is pressure on the students.
Hmm.
We know that education is very important for us.
Hmm.
Education is not for marks. Education is not for marks.
शाबाश.
We
Hmm.
education is not for marks. Only matter knowledge. The marks don't matter. We don't judge anyone by marks,
We can't judge. हाँ.
but society
शाबाश शाबाश, बोल बोल बोल.
judge anyone by marks.
Hmm.
By these things, put pressure on students
Hmm.
because they also think marks is matter, not a knowledge.
Hmm.
Parents put pressure on the students for clear many tough exams and get good marks in the exams.
Hmm. शाबाश.
Parents have high expectations
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
from their students.
बस स्पीड कम रखो अपनी, है ना बेटा, फोकस करके रखो. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Students feel they can't live up to their parents' expectations.
वेरी गुड. हाँ. Hmm.
All the relatives and parents compared to the student from other students.
Hmm.
Students get depressed and anyone not listen their excuses, only judge anyone by the marks.
No one listens, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं अपन. बोलो आगे बोलो.
No one listen.
Hmm.
So they
Negative
get
ऐसे ही बनेगा.
depressed
हाँ.
and
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
sir, ये वाला
हाँ, सही है बेटा,
and
सही बोल रहे हो, सही बोल रहे हो बिल्कुल आप. बोलो बोलो.
and get suicide.
हाँ,
That's
and
it,
commit
sir.
suicide. अच्छा बोल रहे थे. कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने. अब थोड़ा सा तुम्हारा चीजें कंट्रोल में आ रही हैं. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today my topic is edu.
हम्म. हम्म. आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा? आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा? खुशी तुम आ जाओ बेटा. खुशी बैरवा आ जाओ बेटा. मुस्कान को फिर ले लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
We know very well that there is a lot of pressure from parents on children.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. हाँ.
Suicide is often committed due to despair.
आराम से आराम से बोलो, आराम से बोलो.
Despair.
हम्म.
Children
children are always told by their parents to take subjects like science, math, commerce, etc.
हाँ
because the family members feel that the children can progress only by things science, math,
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
cannot progress by think any other subject.
हाँ
Due to due to much due to
ड्यू टू,
much
ड्यू
pressure
टू, हाँ ड्यू टू।
much pressure on children, they start consuming
हम्म
drugs and smoking,
हम्म,
etc.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे। हाँ
Family members should behave well with children.
हम्म, शाबाश, फोकस करके बोलो बस। हाँ
It's it's better if the children are left alone.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। अभी वहीं पे ही हो गया बेटा, ऑफिस में ही?
नहीं सर, घर तो आ गए लेकिन फोन चार्ज लग रहा था इसलिए मैंने
ओके,
कैमरा ऑफ
हाँ
कर दिया।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। यस कम ऑन, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग मुस्कान। आजा बेटा। मुस्कान आ गई क्या? नहीं आई। मधु, क्या हुआ, नाम नहीं आया तुम्हारा? आ गया। आजा मधु, बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Brahman Interactive Classes from batch 20. I am telling about should pressure
शुड देयर बी।
should there be pressure on students? In my opinion, parents should not any pressure to their childrens, and parents and every wish of the child fulfilled by your parents, and parents and parents accept
एक्सपेक्ट एक्सपेक्ट।
expect their children to do well, and parents are worried about their children's education and success,
हाँ हाँ शाबाश।
uh, and put pressure on them,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ बेटा।
and children's
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन।
children cannot good to pressure,
कैन नॉट डू, कैन नॉट
cannot
परफॉर्म
do
वेल
cannot perform well
अंडर प्रेशर।
under pressure.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी बेटा, है ना? हाँ हाँ, घबराने से थोड़ी
Okay.
कुछ होता है। मैं हूं ना यहाँ पे, फिर क्या दिक्कत है? बोल, घबराया कोई भी मत करो तुम
And
बस। हाँ कोशिश करो, बस एफर्ट्स करो अपने। हाँ
parents should allow children
अलाउ।
uh, allow children
हाँ
your
टू डेवलप योर, क्यों? टू डेवलप देयर
to
ऑन वे,
develop or their own work
ऑन वे,
and
ऑन वे।
education,
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप। फोकस करो, फोकस को मत जाने दो कहीं भी। हाँ बोल बेटा।
and the children do better uh, in your inner
इन देयर, योर क्यों?
inner
योर क्यों आएगा? योर तो आएगा ही नहीं, देयर आएगा ना। कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल तू।
okay. Children should not pressure by parents and others
शुड नॉट बी प्रेशराइज्ड,
because they take decide wrong path like drugs and suicide. Children, due to pressure, children uh, put on wrong path,
Put on नहीं, move on.
move on wrong path,
Hmm.
so parents should not pressure to their children.
Should not put pressure. कोई बात नहीं, वर्ब का ध्यान
That's
रखना. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है, कोशिश करते रहो बस ऐसी. यस, मुस्कान आ गई क्या बेटा?
सो नेटवर्क शो हो गया था.
आ जा, आ जा.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Today my topic is students. Sometimes parents most expect of students.
आराम से बोल, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ,
So sometimes parents more expectation.
have more expectations. Sometimes parents have more expectations. हाँ, बोल, घबराए मत. हाँ, वर्ब का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. हाँ,
So children lazy, careless, and
become lazy.
become lazy,
Hmm.
and children don't do other work properly.
शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल, आराम से. हाँ,
Parents put too much load on student. Sometimes students take less marks.
get less marks. हाँ, हाँ, बोल बोल बोल.
Less marks, and so parents, so students feel that they cannot do anything life.
Think नहीं, think. हाँ, think और think में अंतर होता है. हाँ, बोल, आगे बोल. हाँ,
think any life. So and they take their on point in life. So children, so some children suicide.
commit suicide. हाँ,
Some children depend on drug. Depends on drug. That
हो गया बेटा?
yes sir.
ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश कर रहा है, तो शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश करती रहे बेटा बस, है ना बेटा? वेरी गुड. यस, और कोई? हाँ, खुशी गुजर, आ जा बेटा.
My name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic: the role of parents to their children's life. The parents is most important role.
Our parents plural होता है बेटा.
The parents are most important role in.
हाँ, आर नहीं, अब हैव आएगा वहां पर, रोल आपने लगा दिया तो आगे. हैव मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन देयर लाइफ. आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है, अभी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे जब, देखना मैंने बोला जो. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
They learn many things to their child.
They teach many things to their child. घबराए मत. हाँ,
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
And they send other country.
किसको? They send their children. आराम से,
They
घबराए
send
मत.
their
हाँ,
children.
फोकस करके रख, पकड़ के रख बेटा.
They send their children for study to our country.
To other countries.
To other countries. Some children's
नहीं, children. हाँ,
some children reach their expectations, but some children do not reach their expectations. and parents give their children a lot of pressure.
हाँ शाबाश.
Sometimes children remain in stress, frustration,
हाँ
depression,
हाँ शाबाश बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
etc. Some children nowadays, some children started to take
स्टार्ट
drugs,
प्रेजेंट में लो. हाँ बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत.
take drugs, and they go to wrong way.
हाँ शाबाश.
Children should be allowed happiness, develop their career and children should understand what is wrong, what is right.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा.
And children remain always happy. Children should remain always happy.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And they do not take.
Should not.
They should not take.
They should not take drugs.
Should not take drugs.
And बस करके रखो, बस कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा कर रहे हो. हाँ. बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश करते रहो बस ऐसे ही, धीरे धीरे परफेक्शन आ जाता है बेटा, है ना. हाँ, कभी भी मन छोटा नहीं करना. यस, और कोई है? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.